Alright guys, we'll go back to another video. Baby red panda. Just kidding. Yeah, we're at the rainforest in the Cleveland Zoo. I'm at the Cleveland Zoo because I have a Cleveland Browns football camp, so yeah. And I'm gonna show if you haven't been there to the rainforest in Cleveland.
Oh, they mama to make a video.
Yeah. See, this is the first part of it. So yeah. There's the gift shop over there. I forget what they have. What? What time is it? Guys, we're gonna make this video quick. It closes at 5 and, well, it's almost 5, so guys, look at this beautiful, tropical goldfish on the ground. This place, man, this reminds me of the Toledo Zoo part, where like freaking poison, like real poison dart frogs, or like roaming. They can hop like across the sidewalk, and you can touch them, but I wouldn't do that because, well, you die. Okay, guys, we have this big steep.
Don't go up.
Why?
Just...
Oh my god. We're going up the place. Echo, subscribe to see more videos like this.
Stairs. More stairs.
And boys, somebody just farted. But we've made it. Guys, it's like Tarzan's home. Guys, we're gonna go up here.
What sun's that today?
I don't know. Who's down there? This place is pretty epic. Whoa. Hey, yo. Guys, there's a snake. There's also those, I forgot what they're called, butterflies. Guys, but
Right?
there are birds. It's a porcupine in here. Oh, look, guys, the animal. That's not a bird. Meanwhile, what you hear right now is birds. 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 Look. I just hope I don't get pooped on. There's turtles. Guys, there's turtles. You can see them, right? Look at them. No. I think there's like snake necks, or not, here, let's see what they're called.
Giant anteater.
Guys, there's an anteater. Look at him. Oh, and capybaras and anteaters. They can meet each other. There's a couple capybaras.
Giant anteater.
What? Giant anteater.
That's a real one right there.
Yeah. Giant anteater. Seaside next. Guys, I am dying.
No, Henry, careful.
What?
No, but don't like tap the glass.
A leopard. Let me see. Is it a fishing cat?
Is it a cloud leopard?
No, it's a clouded leopard. Guys, a clouded leopard. Right up to the glass. Oh, he's moving. Sorry you had to see his ball sack. So yeah. Guys, this place is lit. There's otters over here. Oh God. Guys, look. Assassin bugs. Guys, there's a monkey. What is down there? Jeez, I was like, ain't no monkey falling down there. Yeah, yo, what's up, my man? Guys, comment down below if you know that animal. The orangutan. Guys, the otters. Look at them. They're so cute.
And that one guy.
Look at him. Look at them. Oh my God, that's so cute. They're so cute. Small clawed otter.
He's going, he's going, he's going, he's going, he's going.
Huge otters. Otter down there. I think there's an animal over here. Otters are pretty interesting, but what is in there? I wonder what's in there.
What's in here?
What's in here?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. Oh, hello.
Hello. Mom, what is in here?
I don't know. You probably want to stop the video and start.
Guys, sorry for the bad camera view, but I think the fire-bellied toad, or the Puerto Rican toad. Guys, if you did not know that, we're gonna be here. We are gonna be in Cleveland for 5 whole days. Basically like a school day, kinda. Oh wait. We gotta go down the stairs. There's a place, there's a door over there, and it has so much cool things. Okay, look, we got freaking Spider-Man here. I just jumped down the whole stairs. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! Guys, the toads! Look at them. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh my God, look at those toads. There's so much in here. Look at that cricket.
There's one right there.
It's gonna die to these super beast toads.
I don't know who got me yet.
Last time I was here, they had a lot of toads. Goodbye, my friend. Guys, there's poison dart frogs in here.
Henry.
Yo, guys, look, they're hopping. They're hopping. Please hop for me. Guys, look at those poison dart frogs. They're right there. Poison dart frogs in there. Look at that cute little toad. I mean frog. Yeah. Well, they're basically the same thing. Look, emerald tree grower. Don't ask me how I know it. I just know them by like heart. They're so easy to recognize. Where's the milk frog? Where's the milk froggy? Hope it didn't get eaten. Probably didn't, but oh, I found it, guys! I found it. Yeah, what's up, my man? Now we have the Puerto Rican crested toad. Oh my God, where is it? Where is it? Comment down below if you see the toad. I don't. Is that him? No. Toady. Where are you? Guys, comment down below. Wait, is he behind there? Great.
See the bats now?
Guys, there's bats? Oh my God, guys. Guys, there is an active bat eating fruit right now. That is the bat. Or his shirt is in the way. Here, there we go. I don't know how I did that. Guys, catfish. Climbing toad. Guys, look at them. They're so cute. Oh my God. Guys, this toad is the cutest thing on planet. One of the cutest toads ever. The climbing toad. Blue poison dart frog. Guys, and they even have blue poison dart frogs. I'm losing my family here, so I gotta keep up. Guys, the dwarf crocodile. Guys, look. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where's the fish in here? I don't know, but it's dwarf crocodile. Tiger, rat, snake. Guys, the snake is right there. It's right there. Northern spotted tortoise. Guys, he's back there. It's a baby. Guys, they're baby tortoises. Oh, there's one right there. Dude, they're babies. I thought they're like little babies. Guys, there's a tomato frog in here. And there's a gecko in here. Tomato frogs actually bury themselves, so probably not going to be able to see him. Emerald, Amazon tree up there. Field chameleon. Where is he? Guys, this is a big chameleon. This is a big boy. It's a big boy. These the size of my hand. Baron's Racer. What you did? Where is he? Where is he?
He's on the tree. He's on the tree. See, on that tree, sleeping with his eyes closed, back there.
Where?
If you come,
Guys, I see.
He's not the color of the picture.
yeah, can you take a picture?
Well, you'd have to ask your brother to stop
No,
the
can
video.
you take a picture?
I could take a picture through the video. Did it? Yep.
Wait, no.
We can also just take a screenshot. Guys, look. Piranhas. Wait, are piranhas in here? Oh my God. Guys, there's piranhas. Look at these piranhas. Look at them. They're so fierce. Guys, the iguana's in here. Guys, where's the iguana? I've been dying to see the iguana. Oh my God, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh my God. That guy is so cute. I can't believe I just saw that iguana. Just comment down below what you think is gonna go in here. That kid. Make sure you monitor. Tentacled snake. I actually saw this one before. Guys, I found him. His face. Oh my God. Tentacle snake. Tentacle snake. Guys.
They give you the boot.
Where are you, buddy?
I got the
Oh, I thought that was him. I was like, jeez, what's wrong with you? He's up there. He's up there, guys. It's him. Green tree python. I think. It's the green tree python. Comment down below if you see. Oh, he's back there. Look at him. He's back there. Guys, we gotta hurry. Guys, what is in here? Burmese python. Jeez. Guys, he's back there. That guy is massive. Jeez. He is so big. Guys, get those. And then another bronze tail skink. The skink is up there. Turtle. Yeah, turtle. I don't actually see him. Oh, he's back there, guys. That's him. And there's a bunch of ants. Bugs. Like bugs. All these ants. Where is millipedes, walking sticks, the gavials, guys. Listen, guys, the gavial, I found him. Guys, look at this, the gavial. Let me get a better view.
There's so much of them down there.
There's turtles in here, little spotted turtles.
Wow. Jesus, there's another turtle under there. Oh. Yeah. There's 60 turtles.
I think there's a gavial right there. Gavial up there.
Man, that gator's crazy.
I know it.
Those are weird as hell. Oh man, he ain't moving.
Those turtles. That gavial's swimming, guys. And gavial up there having a good time. He's alive. As some of you guys know, they do that. There's a porcupine back there. There. I got the hammerhead. I saw the gavial in there. He's right by the glass. Guys, look at him. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god, this has to be the thumbnail. Boom, guys. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So cool making this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a masterpiece video. Yeah, Cleavland Zoo, great zoo. Yeah, great zoo. Toads, gavials. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that gavial. Oh my god, I have it. Guys, it's raining. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Look, it's freaking raining. Like that's so cool. Like there is no better zoo. I gotta get his face. Go underwater, please. Guys, he's literally like in the video for us. So cool. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, all that. Now make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Cleavland Zoo, you guys are the best.